Tilson. In this short video, I'd like to show you how to use Polyboard with Alphacam. Alphacam is a powerful CAD/CAM package that can take Polyboard DXF files and automatically nest and create the CNC machine files for all your parts. Here we have a Polyboard wardrobe project. Let's export the DXF file for each part of this project. To do this, I'm just going to go to File, Export, Post Processor and choose the DXF. I'm just going to now save these DXF files to my desktop in a specific folder. If I open the folder, we can now see that Polyboard has created a DXF file per part. Let's go over to Alphacam and see how we create the machine file from the Polyboard DXF files. Here we are in Alphacam. Let's select all the Polyboard DXF files and load them into Alphacam. The DXF files from Polyboard are input into Alphacam's standard router and automatically pre-processed, preparing them for Alphacam's automation tool. Let's open the automation tool now. And let's load the resulting drawing files into the Alphacam Automation Manager. Once loaded, the Automation Manager assigns automatically machining styles to each of the drawing layers, and it sets the tool side and depth of cut for the geometry. And once this is finished, the parts are automatically nested onto sheets defined within the materials libraries. Alphacam writes all the machine code, and we can check that the machining code is correct by creating a simulation of the machining of the sheet. Note that Alphacam will also write the reports and labels for the sheet and its parts. And let's have a look at the G code that Alphacam's created to send to the CNC machine. Here we have the actual G code which is going to be sent to the machine. So I hope this video has been interesting for you and that you now have a clear idea of how Polyboard and Alphacam can work together and create an extremely fast and efficient workflow for building furniture and cabinets. If you need more information, don't hesitate to post your questions to the Wood Designer Forum, and thanks